If you've ever wanted to make eye-catching YouTube shorts without juggling complex editing software, you're about to love this. Today, I'm showing you how to create and edit YouTube shorts using Canva, fast, simple, and perfect for 2025's content style. Whether you're building your channel, promoting a brand, or just creating for fun, this method will help you produce scroll-stopping shorts in minutes. Let's jump in. Start by opening Canva. If you haven't created an account yet, it only takes a moment and it's completely free to begin. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner for the purple Create button. It blends in if you're not used to the interface, so take a second to spot it. Give it a click and Canva will open up a blank workspace where all your designs begin. Next, head to the search bar and type YouTube Shorts. Canva immediately pulls up the exact vertical format you need. This part matters more than most people realize. Shorts must be in a 9:16 aspect ratio to look clean on the Shorts feed. Choosing the wrong size leaves you with awkward black bars and a layout that just feels off. So go ahead and select the YouTube Shorts format Canva suggests. Now for the fun part, templates. Canva offers a huge collection tailored specifically for shorts. Bold, colorful, minimal, animated, trendy, you name it. You can filter by style, theme, or color to match the personality of your channel. If you want complete control, you can also start from a blank canvas. Either choice works. The key is picking a starting point that captures the vibe you want your short to give off. Once your workspace opens, it's time to add text. Click on the text tool and drop in a headline, a hook, or even a single strong word that sets the tone. Play around with fonts, colors, and sizes until it feels right. This text is what stops viewers from swiping, so don't be afraid to make it bold and intentional. If you want to build out multiple moments in your short, simply add a new page. Think of each page as a mini scene. You can switch up the text, switch backgrounds, add photos, or even mix different template styles. This is a great way to build fast tutorials, short stories, or quick step-by-step visuals that keep viewers engaged the entire time. Feeling creative? This is where transitions and effects shine. Canva offers smooth fades, slide seats, and fun animations that add polish without overwhelming your content. Try adding animated stickers, subtle motion, or even background music from Canva's free library. Little details like these can elevate a simple short into something that feels crisp and professionally edited. Once you're satisfied with your creation, head back to the top right and click Share. Choose Download, make sure MP4 is selected, and let Canva process your video. Depending on your effects and animations, it might take a few seconds, but once it's done, your YouTube short is ready to upload. And just like that, you've created a sleek, engaging, fully customized YouTube short without touching any complicated editing software. It's quick, it's beginner friendly, and it's a great way to boost your content game in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and tell me what kind of video you want to see next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.